Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be working with the distance formula. So we are going to find the exact distance between a pair of points. I have point C and point D here, and exact means we're going to leave it as a simplified radical or evaluate if we can. So to start off with, we're going to write out our distance formula. Distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1, and we're squaring that, plus y2 minus y1, and we're squaring that as well. So one strategy I have for you is to label your points. It does not matter which one is x1 or x2, but label them so it makes it easier when we're plugging it in. We're going to take the distance of CD equals the square root, and for x2 negative 1 minus x1, so 3, and then we are squaring that, plus y2 minus y1, so 0 minus a negative 3. Another strategy here for you, put your negatives in parentheses because those double negatives turn into a positive. Remember, we work inside out, so I'm going to do inside my parentheses first. So negative 1 minus 3 gets us a negative 4 plus a 3 squared. Evaluate your squareds. We have 16 plus 9. Remember, that square root is coming with us all the way down. And then 9 plus 16 gets us 25, which is a lovely square root. This equals 5. Since it's exact, we don't have to worry about anything else. So the length of CD is 5 units. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.